All right, last of the five new technologies here. Here I have this website called Quizlet. Probably, at least a little familiar. This is a website students, I think, are going to, regardless of whether or not teachers are using them, right? So, oftentimes, say, I don't know, I'll open a new Google search here. Students will be looking up questions like, let's say, oh, biology, mitosis, blah. See, Quizlet autofilled for me. I don't know if that's because I was just on a Quizlet website, but so they're going to these sets to figure out these flashcard sets to figure out answers to questions anyway. And so I think it'd be super useful for teachers to kind of almost encourage that, right? So instead of students feeling like they need to resort to this, allowing students to create their own and get useful. So what you do is you create a study set, and you have these flashcards that you're going to create. And so you enter your term here, your definition here, and then you can select an image. Say, I put something like this, easily, boom. And so then you go through, you add as much terms as you want, and you have all these like options for deciding, or cluing in the system, because it has these really cool autofill functions. So it it takes some of the work away from students, which maybe is not such a great thing depending on what you want. But say I use it a lot in college because for studying animals. So say I wanted to remember the scientific name of a toad, right? So there's this animal by the name of the plant spadefoot, and so definition, and it might, okay, it doesn't recognize it. Bad example. Let me try another thing. Well, now it's not working. I wonder why that is. And now I click that. Anyway, it does it. The definitions do pop in, and so it makes it easy for students to write things in. And then also, here, let me use one of my students' ones that I've had them create. And there's these really awesome functions for learning and memorizing what your flashcards say. And so a lot of them make you write it out. So this is a carrier molecule that transfers high energy electrons from chlorophyll to other molecules. It's probably NADPH, I think, maybe. It's it's NADP plus. It's exactly what this is right here. Okay, but you can see there's this learn function. There's you can actually test yourself on your flashcards. See, all based on the terms and diagrams you put in. And learn is one of my favorite ones because it makes you have to answer each one correctly twice. And so first time it gives it to you multiple choice, and then the next time you get it, you'll have to type it out. I won't actually go that far, but Quizlet's super useful for students studying, students working together, create flashcards, answering questions. I think it has a lot of potential uses. So I selected it because students, help them create better studying habits, take advantage of this online resource that's already there. Definitely aimed at students. In regards to ISTE standards, I was thinking, let's see, ISTE 4C, collaborative tools to expand students' authentic real-world learning experiences by engaging virtually with experts, teams, and students. So I see most definitely students engaging with other students. And then ISTE 6A, foster culture, take leadership of their own goals. Quizlet.